Mars, the red planet, has two small and peculiar moons, Phobos and Deimos, which stand out in our solar system for their unusual characteristics. These moons are much smaller and irregularly shaped compared to Earth's moon. Phobos, the larger of the two, is only about 14 miles 22 kilometers across, while Deimos is even smaller at just 8 miles 12.5 kilometers wide. Both moons were likely captured by Mars' gravity from the asteroid belt billions of years ago. This explains why they share many similarities with asteroids' irregular shapes, rough surfaces, and a lack of atmosphere. Phobos orbits Mars incredibly close, just 3,700 miles, 6,000 kilometers above the planet's surface, making it one of the closest moons to any planet in the solar system. This close orbit means Phobos is gradually spiraling inward, and in about 30 million years, it may either crash into Mars or break apart, possibly forming a ring around the planet. Its surface is heavily cratered with deep grooves and ridges, possibly formed by the intense tidal forces from Mars' gravity. In contrast, Deimos is much farther from Mars, orbiting at about 14,500 miles, 23,500 kilometers away. Though it's smaller and more distant, Deimos is smoother with fewer craters, likely due to its slower rate of bombardment. Unlike Phobos, Deimos' orbit is stable, and it won't be spiraling inward. The moons are fascinating not just for their size and composition, but for what they can tell us about the early solar system. Both moons are made of a mix of rock and ice, with surface features that resemble those of the asteroid belt. By studying them, scientists hope to learn more about the formation of the solar system, the history of Mars, and how moons and planets interact. As future missions explore Mars, they may also explore Phobos more closely, which could even become a stepping stone for future human exploration of Mars. Despite their small size, Phobos and Deimos are crucial pieces of the puzzle, offering insights into Mars' history and the dynamic processes that shaped our solar system.